I am an immigrant myself. Over a 16-year period, I had to deal with the same issues that most of my clients are dealing with, including asylum, removal, adjustment of status, the government losing my file eventually. I could have saved a lot of stress, time, and money if I hired an attorney from the beginning. My goal as an immigration attorney is to help people avoid the same mistakes I made. Family-based immigration allows an immigrant to obtain permanent residency in the United States based on their relationship to a family member. If the family member is a spouse, a parent, or a child who is a U.S. citizen, the immigrant would have been considered an immediate relative. If the spouse, parent, or child is a permanent resident, the immigrant would then be considered a family preference. The manner of entry into the United States, the type of relationship, prior criminal history, prior immigration history, the good faith of the marriage, if it is based on marriage, we would need to prove the actual relationship and the ability of the sponsor to financially support the immigrant. The typical three investment options are EB-5, which is employment-based application for permanent residency, which requires a minimum investment amount as it stands today at $500,000 or $1 million in case of direct investment. The second option is the L1 visa, which requires the foreign national to have a company in their own country for at least 3 years prior to applying. It requires that the immigrant itself has worked for at least 1 year out of the prior 3 years for that company, and that foreign company wants to open a subsidiary or affiliate in the United States to conduct business. The third option is the E2 investor visa, which is pretty common. It allows a foreign national to enter and work in the United States based on an investment he or she will be controlling while inside the United States. The individual must be at least 18 years old at the time of filing the Form N-400, must be a permanent resident or be a green card holder for at least 5 years. They would also be able to, would have to show that they are able to read, write, and speak basic English, have a basic understanding of U.S. history and government. They call it the civics test. Must be a person of good moral character and demonstrate an attachment to the principles and ideals of the United States Constitution.